So over here you can see that I have a video clip right here. And now on this particular video clip, let's see how we can apply the leave color effect. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around over here under effects, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here under stylize, and over here you can see that leave color is an option. So if I were to go around and bring that in over here on the top, then what I can do is I can go around and see that all of the color gets removed over here as soon as this effect actually pops up. Or what I can also do is I can go around and bring in the leave color over here on this particular clip itself as well. So over here you can see that this is what you have. The color to read a leave right now is this particular color right here. That means the red color is left out. But what I can do is I can go around and select out another color as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and select out something like green right here, and you can see that the green stays back right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and select out blue, then this particular blue stays back right here. So you can go around and change around a particular color that you want to leave right here accordingly. So I'm just going to go around towards green right here, just like this, and change around the greens over here and press OK. And now the green color is there and the other color is not there. So if I were to go around and blend with original, then I can choose the amount of color that I want to leave right here as well. And tolerance means I can go around and select out more parts of the green or less parts of the green right here, and I can make it more specific. I can go around and make the edges more softer right here, just like this, if it is a bit more choppy. And I can choose the mask color by hue, or I can choose by RGB as well, just like this. So you can go around over here and select out an exact RGB value over here, just like this as well. But hue selects out the color much more softly right here. You can go around and composite on luminosity, or by intensity right here, or by lightness over here, as you can see. So the lightness changes out, or you can go around and make it altogether black as well. So let me just go around as luminosity right here. And what you can also do is you can invert out the effect so that the color that you choose is the one that leaves and rest of the colors actually stay. So that is how you can utilize the leave color effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.